Tutorials. In this video you are learning Bootstrap, and in this series we will see how to use slider in Bootstrap. If you want to make interactive and user-friendly website, then you must have slider in your website. So it's a really very easy to use slider using Bootstrap. I will show you. So what I will do, I will just copy any one of these files. I will name it as slider. Let's open this file. And then I'll replace here container, and let's go to its official website. Here you can see in Bootstrap Carousel. So we will take this code, just copy from here and then paste inside this. So rather I will not take this inside container, or we can take this inside container fluid. So simply let's remove this and I'll just paste here. Just copy this with this control and then we will paste here. Now we need to insert here images. So this is flower, copy this one and this one as well. Now let's try and check. Okay, so this is our slider. Since the height of my image is very large, that is why it is showing the big slider. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's go to the folder and okay, so just I resize this image slider. I'll put here slider and slider. Okay, now refresh it. Oh, it's PNG it's PNG and PNG. Yes, so this is our slider. Now if you want to customize this, as you can see this is very large, so right click on this and you can see somewhere there is control here, it's 15%. okay, just you can check out this. Just copy from here and let's override this CSS. Width 0%. Important. Refresh it. And you can see actually it shouldn't have been 0%. Okay, make it 5%. So rather than 15 we can put it 5, maybe 5, 3, 4, whatever. So as per the requirement you can adjust this. Yes, apart from that, if you want to also put your control here, then there is that option also. You can see there is dot slider. So simply just copy this and replace this one. Actually there is two controls above, so that's the main difference. So images, then slider.png, this one. That's it. Now refresh it and you can see there is one control here. Actually this one is very small. Okay, so that is why it is looking like one. It's not one, it's different. Okay, So simply with CSS you can control from here. Must be some width or something. You can either put dot or you can put here different CSS whatever you like. Okay. So with CSS customization you can do your own custom. Also here you can put bootstrap. So we will write here arrow right in font also. Okay, this one. So where there is next we can put it here, refresh it, and you can see there is right arrow right here. Same way, rather than showing here previous and next, you can change it to prev. Refresh it, and you can see oh, two times I've tested it. Oh, this icon was already there actually. Also, this was there. No? So actually, we didn't need to write that. Just we need to remove previous and next. That's it. It was already there actually. So simply let's remove it. Only the icon will be there. Yes, this is the icon, and in the right side there is icon. So guys, this way you can customize and you can use Bootstrap slider. You don't have to use any other plugins from outside in case you are using Bootstrap slider. So hope this video is useful for you. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.